lasting impact on our learners, teachers, and staff. We are truly grateful for the time, effort, and heart you've given. As you move on to the new chapter, we wish you a good health, happiness, and continued success in all future endeavors. Thank you so much for your time. Sir, thank you, Isaac. And for our coming school head, Sir Derek Alco. Sir, welcome. Welcome to Natalina Elementary School. Thank you, sir. We are now welcome you to our school community. We will look forward to your leadership, vision, and guidance as we work together toward excellence in education. May your journey with us be meaningful, fulfilling. We wish you success, wisdom, and strength as you lead our school to greener heights. Sir, welcome. Sir,